Vocabulary: food and cooking. Circle the word that is different. Peach, chicken, raspberries, pear. Peach shaftoli, chicken, tovuq jo'ja, raspberries, malina, malinalar, pear nok. The others are all fruit. Chicken is odd word. Ya'ni ortiqcha so'z. Pork, cho'chqa go'shti. Lamb, qo'zi go'shti. Squid, mollyuska, mollyuska turi. Beef, mol go'shti. Ortiqchasi squid. Squid is odd word. Others one. The others are all land animals. Melon, qovun. Cherries, olcha, gilos. Peach, shaftoli, kukumba, bodring. The others are all fruit. Cucumber is vegetable. Beans, lovia, beetroot, lablagi, cabbage, karam, duck, urdak. The others are all food, not animal. Duck is animal. Is odd word. Lemon, limon. Salmon, lasos balig'i, go'shti qizil bo'ladi. Grapes, uzum. Cherries, gilos. The odd word is salmon because it is fish. The others are all fruit, not fish. Courgette, zucchini, qovoqcha. Crab, qisqichbaqa. Mussels, qush tabaqali chig'anoq. Prawns, American English shrimp. Small crab, kichkina qisqichbaqa. The others are all sea animals, not vegetable.